Government's efforts to rescue and liberate Filipinos trapped in human trafficking schemes in Laos and Myanmar paid off with the liberation of 114 Filipinos repatriated back to the country in July and August. Their successful return to the homeland also came with the extension of financial assistance and livelihood opportunities, as we hear more from our Luisa Erispe.
The Interagency Council Against Trafficking, or IACAT, has successfully repatriated 114 overseas Filipinos last July and on the first week of August. According to the council, the victims were forced to become online scammers in Laos and Myanmar and have experienced physical abuse from their employees.
Love scam yung karamihan. Iniinganyo nila mostly mga from Europe, from the United States. Meron din na ang market nila Middle East, ito mga huling uwi yata, ito mga huling repatriates, mga taga Middle East naman yung sinusubukan nilang mabiktima. So iniinganyo nila na mag-invest sa isang fake na cryptocurrency na scheme, and only to find out walang ganung nawawala investment nila. Karamihan po sa kanila ay nakaranas ng physical abuse. Kapag sila po ay binibigyan ng quota ng kanilang mga employers, kapag hindi po nila nami-meet yung quota na yon, ay pinaparusahan po sila.
These Filipinos were trafficked and fled outside the country through backdoor operations or illegal exit points, and others were recruited when they were already outside the country. That's why the government tightened the security on several entry and exit points and has coordinated with the local government units to help them stop perpetrators.
Of course, ang ating pong monitoring and surveillance ay tuloy-tuloy po para maprotektahan po ang ating mga kababayan.
Several government agencies such as the DSWD, DMW, and DOH have already handed out assistance to the repatriated Filipinos. Among the 114 repatriates, there are 2 individuals allegedly involved in the illegal recruitment process, and cases have been filed against them. The IACAT called on the public to refrain from believing advertisements offering jobs around, especially those that are offered through social media platforms.
Huwag papayag na magtrabaho sa ibang bansa kung hindi lisensyadong recruitment agency o hindi otorisadong recruiter yung kausap ninyo. Madali lang yung i-check, no? Nasa website po ng DMW kung sino yung mga licensed recruitment agencies.
Luisa Erispe from the National TV for a new and better Philippines.